don't think that actually compresses, does it?
Where oh yeah, here's how I can then that we can pivot that.
Okay.
I don't know why. We're just gonna leave it kind of like that.
Oh, more gauges. Temp, oil, amps. Ooh, baby.
The battery.
Does it just take like a car battery?
Yeah, I think about just using the jumper.
We've got 2 unlabeled buttons, 3, another unlabeled button.
I'm gonna start unwinding all this shit.
Light.
Now make sure it doesn't leak out. So this is like a catch can for trans fluid.
Right.
So keep it in here.
We got our exhaust, high flow muffler, performance. Got our radiator. Oh, look at that. Got our battery in. Got our negative, positive. Ooh.
This thing looks sketchy. Trying to do that. This thing works beautiful.
Not right now.
How can you say such mean things?
I'm sorry. I think the gas is very old.
Are those batteries? Are those tight?
They're tight. Good and tight.
You gotta get a Tesla. What happened there? What do we do? Yeah, unplug the fan real quick. That's weird. You know, this has never worked for me, tapping it in there.
I've had it work once. Oh.
Okay, try it. I'm holding it. Really? It's definitely working. Light.
That's a friggin', look at the size of this friggin' starter. For like a tiny little Chevy V6.
We're just gonna go right for it. You got safety glasses on? Glasses? Solenoid. Needs a solenoid.
Yep. For those of you who might not know how these starters work, you got the motor that spins this, and then you got the solenoid that actuates this, the lever in there, actuates that, and pushes and pulls on that to engage the starter to the flywheel or flex plate. And then if this guy's bad, we were able to get this to spin, but not to throw. How many starters have you rebuilt in your day?
0. Just jumped it.
I do not want to put this starter back in.
I just remembered something came up and I gotta go.
Lever up there. I had to put it all the way from back here. I'll get to it. Slide it back because the freaking downpipe is right there. Contact. Nothing. Swap these wires because Dingle Frick over here, I'm referring to me. Put these on the You reckon that's tight enough? That's probably good. Contact. Oh, babies. Truck out there. That's a 80s F-150. I think it's pretty clean. Cleaner than my truck. Well, just got done in my automatic transmission class. We had to put a new starter solenoid on the little Chevy V6. That powers the trans dyno. Had to take the oil pan back off my transmission because we're waiting on some filters to get in, and we're going to do that Wednesday. But now I'm headed to my sister's house. I do 50 on pump 6. How many times is this now?
That she's had extensive diarrhea on the carpet? I think this is the
My sister's dog pooped all over her carpet. That's what that was. Now I'm headed back to class like 3 hours later, 4 or 5 hours. I don't even know how long it's been. Because I have a night class, and that sucks. But it's not the worst in the world. Auto electrical, so pretty easy. You know, just don't shock yourself.